Hello everyone, this is Sir Manoj. Welcome to computer class. Today we'll start the next chapter, that is chapter 5, Input in Java. Let's begin the class. So chapter 5, Input in Java. Various ways to input the data values to a program. That 4 different ways are there. One by one we'll discuss. The first one is by using assignment statement. Number 2, by using scanner class. Number 3, by using function arguments. Number 4, by using input stream reader class. So we'll begin from the first statement. Java program by using assignment statement. So a statement that stores a value of a variable known as assignment statement. We can write a program by assigning values to the variables only when the values are readily available. Understand? So this is assignment statement. We'll do a program using assignment statements. So write a program in Java to find the sum of 3 numbers using assignment statement. So here is the program. So you can see in this program I have taken 4 variables P, Q, R and add. P I have assigned 112, in Q I have assigned 224 and R 200. So this P, Q, R I have assigned the values. So this is assignment statement. Throughout the program the values never change. Now we'll discuss another program to find the area of rectangle using assignment statement. Okay, we will do this using BlueJ. So we'll start the program using assignment statement. Understand? The question is write a program to find the area of rectangle. So the formula is length into breadth. So let's take the class, public class area, then open the curly brackets, then start the main method, public static void main string args, open another curly bracket. See, don't put any semicolon by the side of class name and by the side of method name. Understand? Then declare the variable int L equals to 12. So this is assignment. So we assign the value 12 to the variable L, and B equals to 2. We assign the value 2 to B, and AR is the variable to store the formula. So I have taken 3 variables L, B, AR. This is known as assignment statement. Throughout the program the value is constant, never change. Then AR equals to L into B. This is the logic. Then system.out.print the area is within double quote because this is the message, plus operator AR. So here plus is to join the value with the message. Okay, so now compile the program. No syntax error. Close. Then right click on your class, void main, then the method call window will appear. Click on OK. In the terminal window direct answer will come, area is 24. Understand? So this is the program using assignment statements. Like this you can do the program using assignment statement. So assignment means you have to assign the value to the variable, so that throughout the program the value will never change. Whenever you will compile you will get the same results. Understand? Now do these 2 homework. Program in Java to find the perimeter of a rectangle using assignment method, and the second one is program to find the volume of a cuboid.
PPAP. I have a handle, I have a soap. Wash, 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 wash. I have a soap, I have a handle. wash, 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 wash it, 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 wash it. Clean hand, clean hand. Pray for people and peace.